Ajax. Come here now. I bought you some magic cat food online.
Oh my god, I can speak. Hello Adèle, how are you today? Meow.
What? That big pile of fluff can actually speak now. Oh no! What have I done?
That's so great. I can tell you my life story now. I'm so happy. Meow.
No way! I'm listening to this.
I'm flying!
Ouch! My head! What is that in my hair?
Help me! I'm innocent. Adèle did this to me. She's my owner. Meow!
Oh, I saw that naughty little girl. She is in big trouble now. Ah! Let me go! Let me go! What do you want, you big monster? I'm not afraid of you. I show you who's the boss. Ah! 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 Woo! That was close. Once again, I have won. Ha ha ha! This idiot didn't get me. Go back to your own world and never come back to the land of giants.